Gotta love 60s technology. This is what they call an old-timey record player. Isn't that sweet? Pretty sweet, I think. Check this shit out. I'll show you something cooler. I don't know how good you can see this, but it's Telex Communications Incorporated, Rochester, Minnesota. Let me kill this light here. Fucker won't let me kill the light. What do we got queued up here? Oh, Folsom Prison Blues, huh? Oh, Johnny Cash. Look at this old fucker in here. How much longer do we have on this song here? My junk room. Couple of my records. If you only love me half as much as I love you. Wait, it's gonna do it. You see, let that needle go all the way in? Check this shit out. Wait. Is he gonna do it? What the hell, Rover? Haha, look at there. 60s modern day CD deal, what you call her. What the hell was wrong with records now? Sounds just fine to me. I don't know when I'm stuck in Folsom Prison and time keeps dragging on. But that train keeps rolling. Merle Haggard. Awesome. George Jones. My mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and cry. I guess that's all of them. Huh. I've been rich from a fancy dining car. They're probably drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. You know, a shot of the front of the radio. I know I can't. 8-track player. Kind of neat, I think. Hey, look, some change. Look at there.